Introduction to Front-End Development.
Front-end developers are responsible for building the visual and interactive aspects of websites and web applications. They bridge the gap between design and technology, turning ideas and mock-ups into functional, user-friendly digital experiences. The field is dynamic, requiring a blend of creativity, technical skill, and an eye for detail to ensure users have smooth, intuitive interactions online.
Core responsibilities of a front-end developer.
Front-end developers create and maintain the structure, appearance, and interactive features users see in a browser. Their daily work includes building layouts, implementing designs, optimizing sites for speed and accessibility, and ensuring compatibility across devices and browsers. Collaboration with designers, back-end developers, and project managers is crucial to align the visual and functional aspects of each project.
Essential technical skills.
A successful front-end developer must master HTML for content structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. Familiarity with libraries and frameworks such as React, Angular, or Vue.js is increasingly important. Knowledge of responsive design, accessibility standards, version control with Git, and web performance optimization all help ensure modern, high-quality user experiences.
Problem solving and collaboration.
Beyond coding, front-end developers excel in problem-solving. They troubleshoot bugs, address cross-browser issues, and adapt to changing project needs. Strong communication skills and the ability to work collaboratively are essential, as projects often involve input from designers, UX specialists, and back-end engineers to deliver cohesive products that meet business and user needs.
Continuous learning and industry trends.
Web technologies evolve rapidly, so front-end developers must stay up to date with new tools, frameworks, and best practices. Continuous learning, whether through online resources, tutorials, or professional communities, is key to staying relevant. Embracing new trends such as mobile-first design or progressive web apps keeps developers competitive and ensures they deliver cutting-edge user experiences.